'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I...
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How to secure VPS server in wholesale business. Additionally, there are industry-specific issues when it comes to safeguarding a VPS server in a wholesale firm. The following actions are designed to secure a VPS server in the context of wholesale business. Control of access. Put robust access control procedures in place for your server. For every user account, utilize multi-factor authentication, MFA, and strong passwords. Safe software for wholesale. Make sure your specialized wholesale software and platforms are updated with security fixes if you utilize them. Limit access to your wholesale software to authorized people only, and evaluate and audit it on a regular basis. Encryption. Encrypt critical information, particularly transactional and customer data. For online and e-commerce transactions, use SSL/TLS. Data restores. Make sure all of your data backups are secured and kept elsewhere on a regular basis. Examine your backups to ensure they can be restored if needed. Inventory management. Use inventory management systems that can help you track and secure physical and digital inventory. Secure ordering and payment processing. If you accept orders and payments online, secure your e-commerce platform with secure payment gateways and regularly update the platform and its plugins. Consider PCI DSS compliance if you handle credit card data. User training. Educate employees on security best practices. Make them aware of the risks associated with phishing emails, social engineering, and how to handle customer data securely. Secure communications. Use encrypted email services and ensure that all communications, especially those related to orders and payments, are secure. Supply chain security. Secure your supply chain, as vulnerabilities in your suppliers or partners can impact your business. Ensure that your suppliers have strong security measures in place. Incident response plan. Develop an incident response plan to react quickly to security incidents. This should include procedures for identifying, reporting, and mitigating security breaches. Customer data protection. Comply with data protection regulations that apply to your business, such as GDPR or HIPAA, if relevant. Regular security audits. Conduct regular security audits to identify vulnerabilities and compliance issues in your wholesale business. Physical security. Ensure physical security for your server hardware and networking equipment to prevent unauthorized access. Wholesale platform security. If you use a wholesale e-commerce platform, make sure it is kept up to date with security patches and implement access controls. Security monitoring and intrusion detection. Implement a security monitoring system to detect and respond to any suspicious activities or potential breaches. Secure supply chain. Ensure the security of your supply chain, as vulnerabilities in suppliers or partners can impact your business. Employee training. Train your employees to recognize and report phishing attempts, social engineering, and other security threats. Legal and regulatory compliance. Ensure that your wholesale business complies with all relevant laws and regulations in your industry. Business continuity and disaster recovery. Develop a robust business continuity and disaster recovery plan to ensure that your wholesale business can continue operating in the event of a security incident or natural disaster. Remember that security is an ongoing process, and you should continuously monitor, update, and adapt your security measures to address emerging threats in the wholesale business sector.
Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name. Oh.